Wheel ladders. It is our third or second video, let's just go on that, and we are doing the walls. Ooh, as you can see, I got a little nest of spiders down there that I got to deal with, but for now I'm just going to get this stuff off. As you can see, here it is on this side, but I'm doing one wall at a time, and then I'm going to put some wooden beams up, and then the wood, and well, to buy new materials, which are there, and there's more back there, it cost me about $270. So adding that to the $130 I spent last week, or was it $140? We're over the $400 mark just for the floors and the walls. Well, let's get to work. So we have finished the wooden beams, the support beams, put them in. Also put this tube in that goes around. So if I need to put more cords in for a solar panel or battery, I can later.
This is big brain
We
time.
also use some metal screws, good old metal screws. The next part is insulation in here. Here's the insulation. I hate insulation. It feels weird on my hands. So I'm not looking forward to this, but it must be done. So I've just finished putting the installation in on this wall. Well, I'm going to zoom out then, and as you can see there is a lot, and I had to get more, but my girlfriend's parents gave me some, so thank you. And now it is time to put the walls on. Up to about here now, and a little cut for the cords, more cords, and now we are making a half cut board for the window, so I can swoop down, and then I can have another table for coffees and other things, because you know there's not enough cup holders in this bed. Next thing we're doing is putting these two beams on here so we can get a straight edge when working, and for best results we've used liquid nails on the walls and on the beams, and we're going to wait for it to get tacky and then stick it and then screw it together so it's all nice and firm. It's a progression part. This is what we've done. Yeah, I hope to get it done by the end of the weekend, but it is Sunday afternoon. You know what time that is. I hope you do. I hope you can read a clock like that. But what we've done, we've put little lines in. Autofocus has been a bitch. There we go. As you can see, it's got a little shelf. That actually took a while to make because we wanted to get it perfect. And then it goes around here. I almost stepped on a cord then. And then we got this one, which is probably going to be one of the most viewed things, and this part here, so we've got to make sure that's all lined up. And as you can see, it's become a little bit of a mess in here with a lot of shavings, because there's been a lot of work just to get it perfect.